right, still going through the homework. This is the function notation word problems. Tessa's class had a math exam where the grades were between 0 and 10. NG models the number of students whose grade on the exam was G. What does the statement n of 8 is greater than 2 times n of 5 mean? Well, n of 8 is the number of students who got an 8 on the score, on the test. That's what this says. NG models the number of students whose grade on the exam was G. So if their grade was 8, n of 8 tells us the number of students who got that grade. N of 5 tells us the number of students who got a 5. This says the number of students who got an 8 is greater than twice the number of students who got a 5. The number of students whose grade was 8 is more than twice the number of students whose grade was 5. Right there. PT models the number of people at the beach, T hours past midnight on a specific day. What does the statement P of 10 equals N mean? P of 10 models the number of people on the beach, T hours past midnight. Okay, so T is the number of hours past midnight. And if you take P of T, that's the number of people who are on the beach. So this right here is 10 hours past. This P of T is the number of people who were on the beach 10 hours past midnight. So that's N is the number of people at the beach at 10 a.m. That's what this is. VD models Erica's vertical distance from the top of the valley after walking D kilometers along the trail. So this is how high she is off the bottom, or vertical distance from the top of the valley. So she's going down the trail. This is about vertical distance. So D is the number of kilometers along the trail. So she's walked 2 kilometers on the trail. V of 2 would tell us her vertical distance from the top of the valley. Whether she's going up or going down, I don't know. I probably could read. This is walk down a trail. So what this is telling us is T is equal to the vertical distance Erica is from the top of the valley after walking 2 kilometers along the trail. Erica's vertical distance from the top of the valley was the same after she had walked 2 kilometers at them. That's not what it says. After she walked 2 kilometers along the trail, Erica's vertical distance from the top of the valley was T kilometers. That's what we're looking for right there. Last one. Baby Kana's parents measured her height every month. H of T models Kana's height in centimeters when she is T months old. So T is her age, and H of T is her height in centimeters. So this says H of 160 is 150. So when she's 160 months old, she's 150 centimeters tall. When she's 160 months old, she's 160 centimeters tall. All right. Again, that was obviously meant to be kind of verbally confusing, but if you understand what they're telling you, it's pretty straightforward. But always ask questions.